Morning, everybody. How's everybody doing this morning? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me get my YouTube set up. Got too many sticky notes. Yeah, I got to get a hold of Basil. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, everybody on Twitch. Soon to be Facebook, Instagram, and X. Lord willing. Launch date 11/8. That's when we're going to launch the updated scanner for you guys. It'll be in the room. It'll be on your charts if you're in the signal service or have the sniper. I'm going to show you what that is in just a second after we go through our actual. All right, we're good there. We're live there. Yep, I think we have a few people on. Let me see TikTok, though. Sometimes TikTok doesn't pick up right away. It's kind of weird. There we go. What's up, Iron Lion? What's up, Cindy? What's up, Kelvin? Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Let's get this party started. Jeez. All right. Oh, I don't even know where we're at. It's the morning. 6:08 sounds about right to you guys? Yeah, I think that is. Good morning, Jones. Mike Jones, 808. Good morning, Mike Mahoyhan. Good morning, Priscilla Surgeon. Good morning, Priscilla. Good morning, Jacob. What's up, Jacob? We just mailed the awards, the YouTube awards, to my to Basil, and then Basil's going to send them out on the list. This is a buy stop, by the way, you're seeing play out right now on NAS. We'll go over that in a second. But the awards will be coming to everybody, hopefully within a couple weeks. Good morning, Martin Lewis. Martin Lewis. Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, Mike Snyder. Good morning, Bob Uten. Good morning, Evan Jaruski. God bless. 3-minute ricochet on Naz. Nice. I'll have to look at that. Good morning, Orlando Walters. And blessed morning to you and everyone. God bless each and every one of you on TikTok and YouTube and Twitch. Good morning, Rocket. Good morning, Darren Roberts. Thank you, Bob, for being on TikTok and YouTube. Jesus be the glory. This is D Nice. Love the name, D Nice. Good morning, Mr. C. Good morning, Mike Moyhan. Good morning, Iron Lion 12. Thank you all for being on TikTok and YouTube. I appreciate it if everybody would do that. All right. That is our good mornings. Let's get the legalese out of the way. We are the only trademarked trading system in the world. Got to mean something out there. Means I can legally protect it. Anywho, Class 41, coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. That's us. Coming up on a year we've had this. Also, in addition, we have a legal disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. No one with this channel or associated anything to do with the Safe Trade System is a financial advisor. No one here is telling you what to do with stocks. I'm on here for educational purposes only. Just a lot of fun, guys. You need to do your own due diligence. You need to do your own consulting with a financial advisor. Trade only demo money like I do. I am just a social media influencer. Please understand, you guys are adults. You make your own decisions. We only trade the green up arrow and the red down arrow. And here's some more facts for you guys before you type out yes. The old ways we were taught to trade, like Fibonacci retracement, look to the left, ascending, descending wedges, support and resistance, naming of candle and candle patterns, VWAP, volume, and Bollinger Bands, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, do not work. But don't take my word for it. Here are the facts. This is the entire article. Just so we're clear, this is the entire article. Hold on. Let me squish this over a little. There we go. Written by Why the Majority of Day Traders Fail by Oliver, whatever that name is. This is the entire article. Studies have shown that more than 97% of day traders lose money over time. Less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. Almost, that's per a quote from Dave Ramsey, who goes on to say almost everyone who attempts to day trade fails. As a matter of fact, 85% of all day traders quit within the first 3 years. Right here. Okay, so that's not me telling you that the Fibonacci and all the old ways of trading fail. There's a 14-year study by a university quoted by Dave Ramsey saying less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. So if all the old ways don't work, please type out yes if you understand that the safety trade system wins more than 1% of the time. God. First of all, if it only won, well, type out yes if you understand, not a financial advisor, only trade the green and red arrow, that the old ways of trading do not work, and that we are a legally protected trading system. I know Larry already did it. Mr. C did it. But I'm adding on this new stuff because you all got to understand. I'm sick and tired of people trying to say, oh, Head and Shoulders works. Oh, I saw one of our old members put in he's doing descending and ascending wedges. What the fuck? No. No. No and no and no. Let me be clear. None of those ways work. None of them do. We've all been trading on it. It's not me saying it. Quoted in article after article after article. Dave Ramsey speaks on it. So if all those old ways of doing things fail, this is what works. By the way, buy, stop, 5 second. All right. So, does anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments before we get started? Changed my life and still live that way. And now you're, oh, thanks, Bob. Wow. I'm humbled for you to put me in the same sentence as Dave Ramsey. Yeah, that guy's incredible. Very common sense. Yes, if you have a lot of debt and you're super rich, you can make billions of dollars. I get that. Yes, you don't have to pay taxes on your interest off your loans you make against your businesses. I get that. But for the average person, yeah, Dave Ramsey's amazing. Amazing. Good morning, Filio. So the name of this particular session is November 8th launch date for the H&H scanner. We'll get into that in just a minute. But first, a hunting we shall go, a hunting we shall go. Hi-ho the Mario. We already missed the buys back on up, but we'll check them anyways on our 3 indices. Oh, nice. Dip in. This is the way we go. Could have swore we had a 15-minute sell stop. Hold on. No? On all three of them? That reminds me of something. All right. Let's go finding us using the sniper rifle, which is just about finished being tweaked. We're going to go to gold. Gold. There's your cells. Gold. There's your cells on the right. See where these lines were right here? There's Keith yelling at me, telling me to put it to the 5-second timer. Gold. Play any cell stop to the 15-second blue line as called out by the new sniper rifle. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10-second, 15-second cell stop until the gold hits its 15-second blue line. I don't think it hit its 30, but you can play it all the way down to the 30-second blue line. I already found you some money. Let's roll, peeps. Next. That's a nice one, too. Like that trade. Oh, I'll call out the whole thing. Forming a 5-minute buy. Forming a 10-minute buy. Forming a 15-minute buy. La, da, 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 da. 2-hour buy, gold. Damn, we're going to keep making money. We're going to keep making money. Look at that call out on 10-6. Still making money on the almost up to its daily. Nice. And I closed. Did I close down my 1 weekly goal? Or yeah, I did. Gonna have to sell that NAS soon because this damn fees are like $7,000 in interest right now. U.S. oil, 5-second U.S. oil, buy stop to the blue line. There it is, as called out by the sniper rifle right here. Take a look. This is called the sniper rifle. This will be available to the public in January. Maybe about $50 a month, not much. Oh, interesting. I hope Harris is here or sees this. Keith thought of a Gatling gun name, and Harris had said Gatling gun when we were on the live yesterday. It was so funny. Great minds must think alike. And what we're going to do is we're going to combine. This is Keith's idea for this one. Is we're going to combine 5, maybe 6 or 7 of these sniper rifles, and we're going to make it a sniper Gatling gun. And that's going to be a free add-on to the sniper rifle, which isn't even released yet. Ho! Ho, ho, ho. Can you imagine? So you're going to have a Gatling gun, meaning you're going to be able to put 5 to 10 different symbols on here to see what they're doing at all times. If you have 5 favorites like SPX, Gold, NAS, and GBB, JPY, you can load up the Gatling gun to show all of them all at once if they're trading to their blue line. Oh, can't even say, fuck yeah. U.S. oil, buy stop to the blue line as called out by the sniper rifle. Love it. 5-second buy. 10-second to the 10-second blue line. 15-second, not sure we're going to get that high. 30-second. 1-minute sell. Gold, 1-minute sell. Not gold. Oil. Sorry. Let's see. Oil. U.S. and U.K. oil, by the way. Let me see my 1 hour. Nope. 2 hours. Nope. Buy. 4 hour. Buy. Daily. Sell. Daily sell. Oil. Let me see. Buy. Monthly. Weekly. 3-week. Monthly. Buy oil. Let's go on to EURUSD. Find us some more money. We're finding some money this morning. We're finding some money. 1 second. Buy, but I'm not calling that shit. 5-second. 10-second. EURUSD. Sell to the blue line. 10-second. EURUSD. 3-minute buy. 3-minute buy to the 3-minute blue line. 3-minute buy to the 5-minute blue line. Like that call. I love the 3-minute buy. EURUSD. Let me see the 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour sell daily. Buy to the blue line. Weekly. Buy to the daily blue line. EURUSD's done. GBP JPY. Let's see what she has. Buy. 5. Oh, look at it go. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Look at it go, baby. Where's she going to? Oh, there you go. Hit the 1 minute. That was easy. 5 minute. Where's it going to? You go, little GBP JPY. Where's she running to? 15-minute higher. 30-minute higher. 1 hour. 1 hour buy stop. 1 hour buy stop. 2 hour buy stop. 4 hour buy stop. Daily buy stop. Daily, weekly buy stop. Ha. GBP JPY. I've been calling a buy since 8.6. You go back to 8.6 on the YouTube channel, and you'll see a live video of me typing this words out right here. That's how you know this is factual. AUD USD, AUD USD. 5-second buy. 10-second sell to the blue line. 15-second sell to the 15-second blue line. 30-second. 1 minute. 3-minute buy. 3-minute buy to the blue. It's going to dip first and hook and come back up. To the 5-minute blue line. AUD USD. 15-minute buy. 1 hour sell. 1 hour, 4 hour. Not yet. It's going to hook back up some more. 1 hour, 4 hour. So yeah, that'll turn into a sell. Daily buy. Daily, weekly buy. Weekly, monthly sell. AUD USD. USD CAD. I'm going to do Tesla, by the way, because I heard there's some kind of news on Tesla. So I'm going to 5-second buy. USD CAD, 15-second too late. Going to play any 5-second, 10-second, 15-second buy to the 30-second blue line, to the 1 minute blue line, as called out by the sniper rifle, by the way, as you can see the lines. Heading towards the 3-minute blue line. Love it. Forming a 10-minute sell stop. USD CAD. I would not play that, by the way. That's a short term. 2 hour buy. 4 hour buy. Love this trade. Daily. You're getting a little late, but it's still a good trade. Weekly, daily buy. As called out live. Told you. Easy money on that one. All right. XRP is a buy. Don't give two fucks what's happening, what the news is. Buy. Buy. XRP. Any buy you can get, take it. Now, Ethereum, on the other hand, we need to check this out. Damn, that 12-hour sell. The 12-hour sell hit the blue line again, Larry. Damn. Woo. I think we're about done with that. I think we're about to flip now. Shit. That mofo hit that blue line on that once, twice, 3 times a lover. Ethereum, let's go all the way down. 5-second buy to the 10-second blue line. Ethereum, 5-second, 10-second buy to the 15-second blue line. Ethereum, 5-second, 10-second, 15-second to the 30-second blue line. Ethereum, 3-minute, 5-minute. Ethereum, 15-minute. Let me go to the 1 hour. Nope, sell. Let me go to the 2 hour. Ethereum, nope. Ricochet, 4 hour, 4 hour, 7 hour. 7 hour ricochet. 7 hour buy stop, Ethereum. 12-hour sell stop, still back to the blue line. Daily sell stop. Weekly buy stop. I still say Ethereum, most likely XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin will all rise. I don't know if they're getting things set up So if I don't care. I'm not voting in this election. So understand what I tell you has no political motivation. If Trump gets elected, they're going to drop the stock market and crash it. Then they're going to bring up gold even further and Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. That's just my objective can be view. I don't give a shit who wins per se. We thriving under Biden and Harris. I don't care who's in office per se. Don't get mad at me. I'm just telling you, if that's what happens and Trump gets elected, I have a feeling they'll smash the stock market down very quickly and then pull up gold, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. And I really think, regardless of who gets in, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, especially Bitcoin, most likely followed along with Ethereum, maybe XRP. By the end of November, you're going to see a huge push up. Could be wrong. That isn't what this is. I'll just call what the system's showing you. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing. That's what you'll see. Bitcoin, which will be the same as Ethereum, they run together. Still love this trade. 3-week buy. Weekly's already maxed, which is a little scary that didn't pull up higher. Daily, that's why it's going to come down, has to hook down right here. What you're about to see on Bitcoin, let me draw it out for you. All right, you're going to see this purple line come down here. As it does this, you're going to see the blue line hook across. Then you're going to see the blue line hook up. You're going to see price action kind of go sideways a little, then it's going to hook and it's going to shoot up. That's what it's going to do. So regardless of who gets in office, that's what's happening. That's Bitcoin. Amazon's a buy. I don't give two rats fucking asses. Amazon's a buy until further notice. Buy. Any buy stop you can find on Amazon, take. Any buy stop on Costco. I told you, Don. Look, it's already up again. Take on Costco. Now, let's go up to Tesla. And I'm going to end my talk on Tesla right here. And I'll listen to you guys, whatever you want me to look at. Oh, we don't have Tesla open. Hold on. TSLA. Tesla. They don't know why it went up or some shit. Oh, now it's down again. Look. This is a daily buy stop. It's as basic. Let me turn this off. It's as basic as you can see. This is a daily buy stop Tesla. Weekly. Oh, 3 weekly, monthly buy. I like Tesla. Matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and say I love it. Yes, it's going to go down a little bit more. Should have caught the buy down here. Fuck. Do your buy right where it's at. $217. Buy Tesla. Monthly, weekly buy, daily buy. I thought there was like a 12-hour. Nope, 12-hour buy. Look, they're so funny. So this is what they're talking about, this little spike right here. So this is a 4-hour spike, right? But look what it looks like on the daily. Nothing. Looks what it looks like. See, there's your 12-hour. There's your weekly. Nothing. There's your daily. There's your 3-hour. It looks huge. Isn't that funny to me? All right, let's go on and see what's going on here. All right. This is the spike. Okay. And you can clearly see buy, stop, 5 second. Buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop. I don't know, 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them. Right? Here it is again. Here it is again. See, look. Gee, I don't know. What is this right here? What is this? Right, we'll even go up one. Hold on, because you can be able to see it clearer. Right before their earnings, there's a 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, daily, 12-hour. But what is it right before the news? I want every one of you that has the system, I've been scamming here the whole morning, always every morning scamming. Least you can do is contribute to a little bit of knowledge. What is this called right here? What do you call this when you see green, 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 red, and a broken Bach? I can go up to the 1 minute, that means. What is this called? And to what? It's either a buy stop to the blue line, a sell stop, or a nothing. What is this called? I want answers, please. This is on Tesla 30-second. Technically, we can go to the 1 minute. Yep, it's the same exact thing. There we go. Watch. I'll zoom in so you guys can see it better. What is this called right here? Before any news, green, 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 red, green, green, to the blue line. Yeah. Buy stop to the blue line. Thank you. Good morning, Guy Burger. Good morning, John Parker. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. Correct. So before their bullshit news, this is why you guys are missing out on the power of the system. Before Tesla shot up, when their earnings came out, bullshit. Bullshit. The system was calling for a buy stop on the daily. The system was calling for a buy stop on the 5 second, the 10 second, the 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute. All buy stops before any news came out, before any earnings came out, before anything. And I know it's hard for the teachers of this old way. I know it's hard. It's all, the news is nothing but BS. Period. It's BS. The truth is, the safety trade system, it sees these calls before they're made. Period. 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 Correct. BS to the blue line. Good morning, Matt Parker. Does anybody have any questions on anything I went over? Especially this Tesla call. Oh, blah, blah. No one can say, oh, really? Whatever. Before the spike, a clear buy stop. I like the 30-second entry because of the broken Bach. Look at the 3 minute, I'm sure, too. I mean, this is almost to the point of how do they live with themselves when they tell us such lies? It's so weird. But yeah, that's all. I'm done. What time is it? All right, now we're going to go into some actual, there it is. See the red, red, red. Now, if you go up a little bit more, watch what it looks like. 10 minute, 15 minute. Hold on. Yeah, go up just a little bit higher. Nope, hold on. Nope. Little bit high. There we go. Starting to fill it in now. 12 hour buy right there. Green, 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 red. There's your buys. Poof. And there's your daily. And there's your weekly. It's a daily, weekly buy. Simple as that. Wow. And I'm actually calling it for a monthly too. I don't usually do that, but I am. All right. What time is it? Oh, nice. 27 minutes. Good one. All right. Made our call outs. Hopefully you guys made some money. I don't know how those call outs did just now. Let's get down to business to defeat the BlackRocks. Let's get down to business to defeat the Vanguards. Let's get down to business to defeat the Huns. Da 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 da. To defeat. How's my sound on YouTube, by the way? To defeat the who? The Huns. Let's get down to business and see what we can make some money on. All right, let's go back down to here. Ooh, a little sell. Where's she going to? 10 seconds. Speaking of which, let's go over to defeat the Huns. Sell stop, 15 seconds. Is that right? Let's see if this has been updated or not. Yeah, it might be. Let's get down to business. 15-second sell sound. Let's pull up our scanner and see what we shall see. And we'll come over to here. Sound is great. Very good. Great. Oh, nice. You know, when you speak into a microphone closely, it works. For like 6 months, I had the microphone like 2 feet away from me. Not the smartest chip off the block, am I? All right. So there's a rifle blue line. Nope. All time. Yep. 1016. We really need to update all these. Keith or Rooney, I don't know which one's the most updated. There's a 1023 sniper rifle. Fuck. Let's get down to business to defeat the Blackrocks. Let's get down to business to defeat the Huns. See, I don't know why he doesn't have this one favored. We'll try this one. I don't know which one we're using. I really don't. Let's see. Did that not take? Hold on. Let's get down to business to defeat sniper rifle. No. Hydra. Woohoo! Love those signals, baby. 2 or 3. Nope. We need this one. Boom. Boom. Let's put them both on there. Fuck it. Let's see what happens. Aha. Okay, we got something going. Let's hide this one. To defeat the who? The Huns. Let's get down to business. All right. Now, this is sell stop 5-second NAS. This is the H&H scanner that you guys will be getting on November the 8th. Everyone that's in the signals / sniper. Anyone that has a sniper is getting this. Okay. Anyone that is paying for the separate rooms over here, you're getting this. This will be updated November the 8th, a free gift from the beautiful Bree, my wife, and myself, encoded by the great Keith Palmer. This right here is going to be updated. This is no longer just telling you if it's above or below the line. It's going to tell you when there's safety trades, buys or sells to the lines. 2 out of 3. It's actually a smart chart is what I'm calling it. This is amazing. This is amazing. Same right here. Oh, it just changed. Hold on. I'll have to make these call outs again. Just give me a second. Sorry, I don't want to call that. As a matter of fact, I see a 10-second buy to the blue line on US 30. Let me see, Naz. Yeah. Buy. I'm telling you, it needs to be tweaked a little bit. 15-second, 10-second, 30-second. Where's she going to? It's already past it, probably. Yeah, it went to the 3-minute. Let me see the 5-minute. Yep, just hit play any buy stop you can until Naz hits its 5 minutes. Right there at it. Let me see. Yeah, play any buy stop on the 3 indices until SPX hits its 5-minute blue line. Hold on 1 second. To defeat the Huns, let's get down to business. Just checking the cameras. Checking out the security cameras. Nope, don't say anything. Okay, we're good. All right. One of my driveway alarms went off. Let's get down to business to defeat the Huns. All right, play any buy stop on SPX, NAS, and US 30 until SPX hits this 5-minute blue line. Now, back to what we were doing. Let's get down to business to defeat. Damn, should have caught that earlier too. The Huns. So the sniper, so the H&H scanner, this and the one going on your charts is being upgraded for free. This is under testing right now. Do not take any trades that are showing from here. We'll let you know. It'll be November the 8th when this will be live. We're still tweaking the colors. We're still tweaking to make sure it's reading everything correctly. But eventually, this right here will be the exact same thing as that right there. And they'll actually show the exact same things. Right now, they're not. Keith's having a little challenge with certain things. But these will be updated. This will be coming to you. You should have at least 1 or 2 times a day where you get a buy stop or a sell stop, and it'll alert you. You can set your alerts off the if you're here, you can't. If you're here, you can set it off your actual charts. So if you have the sniper on any signals, you'll get the free upgrade on this. And what it's going to do, it's going to tell you when things are going. So you'll see like 3 of these change to green, and then whatever, and then it does what I do. It's just going to trade like I do on these, and you'll get signals to these, and that'll be November 8th. Morning. Morning, Harris. Hey, the Gatling gun. You and Keith thought of it both at the same time yesterday, or different times, but same day. Isn't that weird? All right. So does everybody understand the free upgrade to the H&H scanner calling out signals now is going to be released November the 8th. Please type out yes or 7s or something if you understand that. So now you're going to have a to the blue line scanner. That's crazy. So in other words, right now it'll say, oh, 2 of them are up and one's below. None of that. It's actually, see this little ST on here? It's really going to tell you when there's a safety trade going. What is that, US 30? Craziest damn thing. There it is. There it is. There it is. Buy stop to the blue line. This is the ricochet it's catching right now. There it is. And you're right back to the blue line. Watch, this is going to change just to a, well, actually, it's going to change to a BS for 5 seconds. Then it's going to change to thank you, God, for every breath we take. Look, there was the call out. There it is. Boom, right to the green. We're trying to get that BS to be thrown in there for a few seconds. But at any rate, there it is. It was much of a movement. But yes, we got in right there at the orange line. So somewhere around there. And it's still going. And you'd have made shit. You'd have made as much as a professional trader on that shitty little movement right there. There it is. Boom, baby. As called out by the scanner live. Did you guys see that? I went over to the US 30. I went over the 5 second. It was a buy stop. Green, 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 red, blue low. There's your pink cross. There it is going up. Still making money for you. Look at how fucking cool that is. Everybody see this? The system is made for beginners. Good morning, John. The system is made for beginners. Buy the system over here, thesafetytrade.com. It's made for beginners. Now it's even made for beginners even more than usual, more than ever. Look at it go up before your very eyes. As called out by me through the new free upgrade. That's what I see. The 2 were green. The third one wasn't. It was going a buy stop to the blue line. Look at the power. I'm telling you, this has got to be over 10 pips now. You'd have gotten in when that pink crossed. So right here, yeah, that's 12 pips. You made more than a so-called bullshit professional trader does. On this one simple little trade, you would have made 12 pips. In and out, maybe 10. That's fantastic. And there it is. Did everyone just see that? I mean, how many times on earth are you going to see a fucking call out? We go over to it, verify it. It's a buy stop, and bingo, boppo, bango, it goes up just like that. Hello? Is everyone not excited out there? How many people we got there? 30 there. How many is over here? Hello? Earth to people on Earth. So we're at about 40, 50 people watching. This is crazy. As we just called out a trade. I don't know. But you're right. I guess that just does it. That's going to be our way war machine against the Matrix. That's funny. I love Harris. We got to get Harris retired. All right, look. That just happened. This just happened. And believe me, we still need to tweak this. It's still getting tweaked, so don't get too excited. Like, I'm pretty sure it didn't call it here. Yeah, I think it was red, but I don't think it called it. And I don't know what this 15-second sell stop is on the SPX. Let me look at that now. But this is incredible. I wish every one of you would tell your family and friends. We're going to keep this open probably until the robot. So we probably have another 6 months to a year. And then I'm closing the system down. No one's going to be able to get back in here. If you're not in it when I close it, you're not going to get in it. That's all I can tell you. Look at that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing. Yes, you can see that. Yes, you can watch this. Yes, you can watch all US 30 and NASDAQ SPX. You can see it yourself, or you can have a fucking smart chart. Buy, stop again, fill in the gap. Look, or you can have it just automatically told to you. I mean, come the fuck on. I really hope we can get this thing exploded upwards from about active anywhere up to about 500 people. I really want to get this thing exploded to about, I'd like to see it well over 1,000 by the time I close the group. I'd like to see it maybe about 2,000, 3,000. And I just found out TradingView is saying they have 60 million active users. 60 million active user. Thank you, Martin Lewis. Yes, I agree with Evan. Can't wait for this upgrade. I love blue line trades. Dream of blue line trades. Yeah. Well, this one, remember, buy, stop again. It's about to do it again. It's going to have to reload. This has to come back down for my take, for me. You can put a buy stop right on the yellow line and wait for it right here. See, that's better. Wait for this to come down just a little bit more. There you go. And then we're going to see then you'll see the hook up. But at any rate, 10-second buy 2 on US 30. Hold on, let's go to 10-second. No, see, that's an incorrect read. Oh, it just switched. Let me go to the 15-second. Yeah, it's going to go fill in the gap up to the 15-second buy right here. Watch. Good. There you go. See, now it came back down again. See the blue? Now it's reloaded the fire. That's why I'm very particular in how I call these trades. If we're down here on the quantum level in the 5-second, 10-second, I don't like calling the trades until this comes straight down here. Okay. That's funny. Man, you're too smart. John says, called out, drawn out. So will the bot place buy stops and sell stops off the orange line? Will the bot? The bot will be something totally separate. 60 million. That is fucking funny. 60 million users using a buffet of wrong indicators. Pink cross the blue. That'll be your first entrance. Green, red, buy stop. Let's get down to business and see what the fuck happens. All right. No, the bot is something totally frame. Is it the same on higher time frames? Yes, this is the exact same. This is fractals. You're playing with fractals. When you see whatever you see on the 5-second works on the daily, whatever you see works on the 30-second works on the 5-minute, whatever works on the 10-second works on a 5-minute, whatever works on a 5-second works on a 4-hour, whatever works on a 10-second works on a 12-hour, whatever a 15-second works on a 15-minute. All the same rules because it's they're fractals. This just moves faster. When you see a buy stop to the blue line on a 5-second US 30, it's no different when to defeat the Huns than a daily. It's notice exact same formation. Buy stop to the blue line daily. Go down to the 5-second US 30. Let's get down to business. Look at it. You're in the money again, as called out, as trade. Well, but it wasn't that much. It only made this movement from, it's not done, by the way, movement from here to here. It's only 4 pips. Yeah. Yeah, okay. It's only 4 pips. You're in the money. Take the money and run. Woo, baby. Woo, 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 woo. It went back up over the blue line again. 15-second. It touched the blue line again. Again, you're dealing with quantum, tiny, tiny, tiny. You see these casing, Harris will love this. The casing shells left behind, it tells you what. Firing, firing, alpha. Firing, alpha. Just it'll release it over and over and over again. But anywho, with 99% not profitable, even more, it's probably 100%. Yes, it is Martin Loris on that same. No, George, the bot is going to have different rules. Barani with 99% not profitable, correct for sure or more. We'll be trading all time frames or limited time frames. Now, see, you're talking about 2 separate things, George. Let's get something clear here. We're making money using the H&H scanner free upgrade. Okay, here, let me write this out for you all. To defeat the Huns, well, look as it goes up before your very eyes, as called out, as traded out. Well, I didn't trade it. As whatever the fuck out right before your very eyes. Look at it go up. Look at it. Is that not enough money for you guys now? You'd have gotten in here where the pink line crossed, where I told you live to do it. You'd be up 8, 9, 10 pips. Ding, 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 chicken dinner. We have a winner. There it is. Now you have your 15-second line hit and over. See, it's now over the blue line. And let's go to the 30-second. Touch the 30-second blue line. What the fuck more do you guys want? Look at this shit. Called it out twice for you. Called this one out live before it happened. Called this one out just now before it happened. But I doubt the system works. Says no one with a brain cell. Hello. Now, what we're talking about, this is the H&H scanner. This is a free upgrade that you're seeing where it's going to call out the trades. Call out the trades for you. Hello. Going to the blue line. Hello. It's going to call out the trades. Triply, hello, hello, hello. Current one doesn't do that. It's a free upgrade from Bree and I, coded by the great Keith Palmer. This is what we're talking about. You saw it work twice with the 5-second. About 10 pips, well, 12 pips once, 10 pips the next time. You could already been up 20 pips. That simply, that easily. Play any 5-second, 10-second, 15-second buy stop you can on all 3 indices until the 30-second blue line is hit. Just so you know. Now, this is, how many people are here now? So 30, we're about 50 now. So this is a free scanner upgrade. If you have the sniper, you get it on your charts. If you're paying for the rooms, you get it right here. And there, it's still being tweaked and worked on. I know he still has a few issues with the 10-second, and he has a few issues with, like, I think the 1 minute or something. Still getting that all worked out. Oh, yeah, news. Thank you very much for that, Martin. What news is it, Martin? Do we know what news this is? I want to make some money for you guys. Let's get down to business to defeat the Huns. Let's get down to business to defeat the Huns. You're a rotten group. Da, 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 da. I talked so much yesterday that we missed open. I was teaching you guys so much we missed open. Good morning, Kelly McMahon. What's up, Kelly? Martin Lewis. Look at your money. I just called it the 3rd time, and that was me saying it. Look, you're up even more. Another buy stop. This is a fill in the gap. Remember I was teaching you this, guys, yesterday? This isn't to the blue line, but this is what a buy stop upward sloping W looks like. Let me show you. Watch. Price starts underneath. This is what I just taught you this yesterday. How many remember this lesson? This is your upward sloping W right here, also known as our logo, also known when it looks like this the first time. Then it's the fill in the gap. Didn't you guys, who remembers this when I was teaching this yesterday? Anyone at all? This is what you look for. Now, if this is going towards the blue line, fucking line up everything. It might be on the 15-second or 30, so I'll have to look. But when you see this setup, I just taught you this yesterday. PMI, that'd be good. Jobless claims, initial jobless claims. Bernari. Love it. We're going to make some money this morning. We'll make a shit ton of money on that shit. All right. Who remembers me teaching this to you? What's up? It's my time. Good morning. Does anybody remember me teaching this yesterday? That's what I was teaching when the market open happened, actually, yesterday. Well, here it is again on the 5-second. I forgot what time frame we were looking on it at. You guys might want to get your vision cleared, because when you start seeing this, you're going to start seeing it a lot and everywhere. I do. I remember. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, Casey. I do. Thank you, Larry. So yeah, there it is. Look. About to do it again, by the way. Here's your fill in the gap. I don't like it. This isn't low enough for my taste. I like even 5 seconds. I like this blue line to be down here and then hook and come up. It doesn't matter per se. Once we see this pink line, there it is. See, now it's better. Boom, boom, boom. Much better. Now we got to see the pink line cross like it did here, and then again. And we'll see this gap fill in right here. There's the pink line cross. And we're going to watch. Now, oh, see, that already filled in. Hold on. We need this bigger. There you go. There we go. Anywho, so when this is to the blue line, was that, I think that was odds USD. Was that odds USD I was teaching you guys on? I think it was. Hold on. Let me go back there real quick. To defeat the Huns. I believe it was here. Form on US 35 second. Remember the fractal things I was just telling you about? Look, this right here. Price came under, over to the blue line. This is a pie stop to the blue line, right? This is what it looks like. This is the exact same thing you just saw. And then this is your fill in the gap. This is your pink line cross. This is a higher time frame, so it's going to look a little different. You can go to the 4 hour and see it there, or 7 hour, whatever. And that's what it is. See, it goes boop, boop. See, it's our logo. Boop, boop to the blue line. The only difference is on this one, we didn't have the blue line. That's better. See how they're all down now? See over here, though, look, this is what it looked like right here. Holy shit, this is it. This is it right here. So this is this. Where did we go? Right here. This is, oh my gosh, that's too fucking funny. This is a 5-second US 30 buy stop, not to the blue line. And here is daily odds USD buy stop to the blue line. Almost didn't have to move anything. That's fucking incredible. Look at that. There it is. Same patterns, in other words. Oh, the market's not manipulated. They don't move patterns, but they do. They don't reuse patterns. Yes, they do. Vanguard, Aladdin, and Atom, AIs for Vanguard and BlackRock. Yeah, they repeat. Buy stop, AUD USD, buy stop. Love this trade. Love this trade. Love this trade. Love it even more. 10-8. I'm going to drop this down. Let me see where we're at. Hold on. Hell fucking yeah. In Discord, 9-4 daily buy. I love this trade. I'm pulling this shit down. Follow this down as it goes. I'm moving this down to here. We're going to put it right with the other one. I love this trade. Odds USD, daily buy stop. Play any buy stop you can. 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 7 hour, 12 hour, until the daily blue line comes up and touches this orange. Until it hits this blue line again. Gonna defeat the Huns. Let's get down to business. 15-second buy. Let's take a look. Let's go to the 15-second. Correct. It's going to go back up on the 15 second, go past this blue line. It's right on it. It's kind of like a missed thing. Play any 5 second, 10 second, 15 second buy stop to the 30 second blue line of US 30 on all three indices. Let's get down to business. To do what? To defeat the Black Rocks. Let's get down to business. You're in the money for the third time. You're a motley crew. La da 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 da. I'm going to ask Keith to separate this. Keith, sniper rifle, not sure. Yeah. And stack the time frames. Because I like leaving this on my charts. Look at you're in the money. Look at you're in the money. For the third fucking time this morning. For the third fucking time this morning. Kevin Minimus Primus. Good morning, Nan. Would you be offering your students to become an affiliate to sell your system? We already do that, George. We already have affiliates. Look at it. Look at who called this out. Who told you? Who fucking the system called it out. Look at what it's doing before your very eyes to the 30-second blue line. Yep. Buy stop in the money for the third time this morning on US 30 to the 30-second blue line. It hit it. Buy the system for $575. Finally learn how to trade. Get all the help you need. This is crazy what you're witnessing. Look at this shit. Look at the, just called it. Just told you. Just said what I would do. I'd wait for the blue to come down, the pink to cross. There's your entrance. There's your pink cross right here. You'd have got in right here. Another 8 to 10 pips for the third fucking time this morning. And it ain't done, by the way. Look at, called it once, called it twice, called it 3 times. Woo! We do have an affiliate program, George Strait. Yes, we do. We have several affiliates out there selling the systems for us. Look at this shit. Hello, anyone out there want to say, what's up, Robel, rise and shine? Anybody want to say thank you, God? I happen to believe in Jesus Christ, my personal Lord and Savior. You guys can believe in Muhammad. I don't care if you believe in flying spaghetti monsters. I'm not here to judge any of you. I'm here to say that you just saw and witnessed something unheard of with trading. A live trader calling out trades lively, calling out trades live because the system tells them, showing you what it does, telling you about the blue line pin. Everything is here, and you guys are all quiet. I sure hope the hell every one of you is jumping up and down at home, though. I sure hope every one of you is jumping up and down at home. This is crazy. All right, if I don't see a few thank you guys, I'm out the door. I'm going to go. I got too many other fucking things to do. I don't have to be here. Either you guys give praise to God for what you're witnessing, or I'm leaving. You don't understand how hard it is to trade live in front of 50 people, 100 people. Hell, sometimes we have 200 people. Sometimes we have, my biggest video is 5,000, like 800 people watched it. And then you guys aren't, I don't understand. You should be thankful for, there it is again, by the way. You should be thankful for every breath you take. Every 7 seconds, every minute you could be dead. You should be thanking God. Well, my life isn't perfect. Well, my life wasn't perfect. I went through bankruptcy several years ago, a decade ago. I don't want to hear it. Life isn't about all ups. It's about ups and downs. And when you're seeing something amazing happen before your very fucking eyes, you should fucking wake up and say something. Say, holy shit, this guy using the system right here just fucking called out this trade right here. Holy fucking shit, he called out this trade. Holy fucking shit, he called out this trade. I mean, what the fuck? What? I hope this drops like holy. I hope this shit drops like a rock before the news comes out. I really do. I hope this shit drops like a fucking rock. We need droppage. I'll explain the trade coming up here in 5 minutes. I mean, this is crazy. You guys think whatever, but come on. I mean, you think this is like easy. Oh, Kev does it every day. Kev is just, he's lucky every day. Get out of here. This is crazy. Good morning, Dad Bod. This is what you're witnessing is unheard of. Buy stop again, by the way. 5 second. But you're already on the third one. Can we have a break here? Look at it over and over and over. And what works here on the 5 second level works on gold. We already showed you AUD USD works on the daily. Look, there's your buy stop. Green, 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 red, blue line low, pink crosses it, up, gold went. As called out by tier 3 signals, right? It's the exact same thing you're witnessing on US 35 second. It's the exact same trade. Green, 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 red. Blue, pink crosses the blue. Up she goes. Over and over and over again. Same thing for ERUSD. Let's go over here. Let's take a look here. Any symbol, any time period, doesn't matter. Here's the first time it did it. Green, 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 red to the blue line. Green, 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 red to the blue line. Hell, green, 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 red to the bottom. This doesn't look like much. This to you guys, this doesn't look like a huge win right here. Let's just use this shitty little one right here. You're like, oh, that isn't big. That isn't much. Well, your entry would have been when the pink cross, which would have been right here. Your hook dollar amount would have been 186 pips on EUR USD. Every one of you would get everything in the world to get 180 pips on EUR USD. Here's another shitty looking one from here to here. 140 pips. Here's a good looking one from here to here. 400 pips. Here's a good looking one, the one you should have took, which we did take live, just so we're clear, to the blue line. Over, I can't see it because it's the stupid way they do their numbers. 400 pips again. It's going to do it again. Buy stop, EUR USD daily. Play any buy stop you can find from 3 minute on up to the daily blue line comes up and touches the orange line. Yet another fucking free call out for you guys this morning. Thank you, Priscilla. I'm driving, but it's always freaking amazing. That's why I'll be back. It says old school. I know. System works, just got to put in the time. Yes, correct. Thank you, Orlando. Thank you. I pray for each and every one of you. Good morning, Linda Brown. You're missing free money Fridays, except it's Thursday. Easiest fucking money you're ever going to see. Just called out a trade for you, another trade for you right here. Just called out three of them live trades for each and every one of you. Matter of fact, we're calling out a fourth. So we're just calling out. Look, by the way, I'm not just calling it out. Look, here is your smart chart from the H&H free upgrade coming from Bree and I, from Bree and I, coded by the great Keith Palmer. Here's your buy stops being called to the blue line. 5 second buy stop to the blue line. So this is where we have to do a little more testing on this, because this would not have been 30 seconds. This is a 30, my bad. That was called out for a 30-second buy stop to the blue line, which that was actually indeed correct. So, yep. Just sitting here. Just sitting here making money. That's all. Just sitting here at another 5-second buy stop. All right. Now we have news coming up in about 20 minutes. First of all, no one play the news. Okay? No one play the news. Don't do it. Good morning, Tyria. It's my time. There's news, PMI, I believe everyone said it was. PMI is coming out, I believe, in roughly 20 minutes, 22 minutes, whatever it is. Don't play the news, okay? That's your first lesson. Just don't. When I play the news, I'll go in and out of the trade so fast you won't even know what happened. It's going to be very, very, very quick. 15-minute sell. 15-minute sell, US 30. 5-second buy, US 30. I'm going to give you a hint. You've already made a shit ton of money on the 5-second buys for US 30. 15-minute sell, US 30. 15-minute sell, US 30. Ricochet, 15-minute sell, US 30. back down to the 30-minute blue line. A sorry bunch that I ever did see. I'll make a man 30-minute ricochet to the blue line, Nas, sell. 30-minute ricochet to the blue line, Nas, sell. That I ever did see. This is what I would load up on right here. Let's take a look. SPX. I would put an SPX sell stop right here. Demo trade only, not a financial advisor, at 5,824.4. Demo trade only. I'm not a financial advisor. Ricochet, sell stop to the 30-minute blue line, SPX. This is where I'd put it. Okay? Now you can play these buys as they keep going up. Feel free. Keep playing the buys. Lock in your profit before the news comes out. Da, 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 da. I'll make a man out of you. Let's, I would put a sell stop on NAS at 20,232.3. Not a financial advisor. News in about 15 minutes. I'd put a sell stop on NAS right here on the 15-minute. Let's turn to business to defeat the Huns. Why is this motherfucker singing Disney movies? I don't know why. To defeat the Huns. We're already in the buys. So either you're in this US 30 buy, right? You're either in it multiple fucking times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You could be in this trade 6 times or you're not. It's too late for the buys. There's nothing you can do with the buys. Let me be as clear as humanly possible. There's nothing you can do. Sell stop to the blue line, SPX. There's nothing you can do to get into the buys now. You have to wait. You have to wait for a drop. What I am calling out for you is the sells, because whether they spike it down fast or not, and out of the sells, I really, for some reason, I'm just drawn to this SPX one. So either you're in the buys that I've been calling all morning long, stay in them, lock in profit, don't take any losses. Okay? Or you can look for these 15-minute, 30-minute sells. That's all I can do for you. That's your choices. You're either in your buys, right? US 30 buys, NAS buy. It's too late. Either you're in it or you're not. I don't know what to tell you. SPX buys. You're either in these or you're not. Now, these 15-minute sells, I like. Let me see the 15-minute again. So you're either in the buys, 2-hour buy. Can I get, maybe I can get you in a buy up here. Whoa. Buy. Here we go. Look at NAS. Here, watch. Buy stop, NAS. Let me see a better entry. Damn, it's right there. Let me see if I can get SPX. Yeah. Buy stop SPX 4-hour, 5,840. So what we can hope for then, this is what I'll be looking for before the news comes out. I want to see this pull down, spike down. I want to see it do whatever. It'll be down here on the 15. You'll probably see it deeply on the 1 minute. I want to see it hook down like this. That's too thick. Hold on. I want to see it hook down, price come down like this, just about there, and then hook and come back up again. That's what I'd like to see. I want to see that for SPX. Yeah, NAS is a little higher. SPX is a better entry for a buy. SPX, US 30 is really good. Hold on, let me go over to US 30. Nope, 12-hour. Oh, I love this. Bounce. Bounce when she wants. Bounce when, yeah, it's a bounce off the thing. This is a buy. Yeah, we can only hope for another pullback. We need this pullback. Hold on. We need this pullback. Fuck. 12 hour, 12 hour. Fuck. 7 hour. It's not as good. It's not as good. I wish we could bounce it off that 12 hours. Nothing I can do. Fuck. Look for any buy stop you can find on US 30. Take that buy stop. So this dips hard on US 30. Take it. I like this US 30. Like it a lot. For some reason, I'm liking this SPX even more, though. I love this. Where I call that SPX buy for you on the 7 hour or on the 4 hour, make sure you look into that long and hard. Really, really, really. Now, if we can get a little more of a pullback here again, I would appreciate that from the market. If we can get this to come back down just to those 15-minute lines again, maybe the 10-minute lines again. I don't know if we're going to see that, though. Fuck. Maybe the 10-minute. No. 30-minute. That 30-minute. I don't know. I don't know if we're going to get the sells. I mean, I hope we do. I hope we get this 30-minute pushback so we can get some more money in later on the buy. That SPX is tempting, though. So that's how I'm looking at it. I think they're going to do a very hard. Let me pull this one off. This is what I think they're going to do. I think they're going to do a real hard pull down. And then later on or right after that, they're going to pop it. And then they're going to bring it back up again. Let me put it this way. I'm hoping they do this so that we can get in the trade again. If they can give us this really nice pullback, NAS 1 hour. Yeah. If we can see this pullback on SPX and NAS, let me see US 30. How much time do I have? Yeah. Yeah, I like it. I think the better of the three, though, because I don't think US 30 is high enough up on it to pull down as hard as they can. I think you're going to see a better one on this SPX. If we can get this pullback on the SPX, we'll do some buy stops after that, probably right around market open. So let's just see how this plays out, shall we? Now, when I'm in these trades, I'll be looking at the 1 minute, 30 second, 10 second. If I take a trade, I'm going to get in and out super duper fast. Super duper fast. May system need to keep learning it. Amen to that, Barani. I just hit my head on the ceiling, jumping so high for joy. Kelly McMahon. What's up, Michelle Glowinski? Good morning, Michelle. Let's get down to business. Yeah, so this is what I'm looking for. All right, everyone understand. Type out a 7 or a yes if you understand. I'm looking and wanting for a pullback on NAS, SPX, and US 30, somewhere around to the 30-minute blue line. After that, somewhere around, well, anytime after that, quite frankly. But by around 10:30 or maybe 2:30 this afternoon, depending on the 4-hour candle formations. What does the 4-hour look like? Oh, shoot, fire. Katie's calling. Hold on 1 second, everybody. Hey, Kate, good morning. Oh, hey. I'm going to walk out of the room. All right, I'll be right back. We're on live, but no big deal. I've been making money from all morning. No. We're fine. Give me 1 minute. We got at least a minute. Let's get down to business. I know we missed the fucking news. What did it do? Did it drop? Did it drop? Didn't do shit. What the fuck did it do? SPX. What are we doing? I'm back, everybody. What's up, everybody? All right, let's see. Mr. Gold, good morning, everyone. A little late this morning. Good morning, Mr. Gold. Well, that was shit news. Oh, so it didn't do anything? That's funny. Good morning, Tony. Well, that was shit news. Let me get over here. I got to do one thing. Make this 9. Let's switch this over to here and see if Precious wakes up or not. This morning at this time, say save it. Okay, my next alarm's at 9. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm glad I missed the shit news then. I'm not missing any time with my children. You guys are important, but you're not that important. You fall behind the children. Let me give you a hint. That was my oldest child, Katie, and she's like 31 coming up. Anywho, so what the fuck was that? So we don't have any news. Let me go down here and see what it looks like on the 1 minute. PMI. That's all it did? Is it just went up like a normal amount? This didn't do shit. Okay. I might have to scratch PMI off my news. Buy, stop, 1 minute, US 30. Wow. What the fuck? Let me see NAS. A minute. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I would play any buy stop you can find. Now we're gonna have to watch US 30. Might have kicked into its sell. Well, this is budget. Nothing I wrote out even worked. So you'd have made money on your buys if you had them and held them, I guess. Wow, that was terrible. That was bad. I can't believe I missed that. Feel good. I go away and I'm up double the amount of people listening. That's funny as fuck. Wow. Okay. So you guys don't want to hear me talk. You just want to see an empty screen. You're in the money on this buy. All right. What are we doing? Now we have till I got to go again around 9, but then I'll be back around 9:10. I will trade through open this morning. News again 15 minutes after market open. That's going to be even worse news. That is shit. I guarantee you, Martin, that's zero news on that. Zero. I wouldn't worry about it. All right. Now let's go back to the micro level. Oh, yeah. Told you. Told you. How does your garden grow? La da 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 da. All in a row. Told you. There's your 1 minute buy. Told you. US 30. Again, my God. I leave. We make money. I leave. I don't know what the fuck happens. I come back. We make money again. Just thank God for this fun. There's your pink cross, by the way. Again, you should have got in here. This would have been your entry, and this is what you're up. So currently right now, as called out live, just for you guys from here. Well, actually, the live part, let me make that different. Because I would have called it here is when I called it, which was right there. So you're up 14 pips. But what you should have did was been in here, and you would be up, yeah, about 18, 20 pips. Correct. And there you go. And I would keep playing these, and they're going to keep going up for you. Just like NAS went up, same time, and SPX went up. You would have made money in all three. See the buy stop right here on SPX? You can see the buy stop right here on NAS. You come over to US 30. It didn't show a buy stop. Does anybody know why I called this buy? Why would I call a buy when it wasn't showing a buy on the 1 minute? To defeat the who? The Huns. Let's get down to what? To business. Why did I call this? Does anyone know why I called a buy on US 30 when it wasn't showing a buy, but it was showing a buy on NAS and SPX? To defeat, no, I didn't say it was going to go up for fucking 3,000 pips. Usually you get about 3, 4, 5 pips on US 30 when it does it. Sometimes you get to 10, 15 like we just did. Oh. Money. Global manufacturing. Yeah, that's useless. We don't care about anything other than PPI, NFP, FOMC. Those are the big news. Sniper. Yeah, very good answer with the sniper. The H&H. Similar. Good morning, Jan Fly the Sky. Good morning. Aha, there it is, the answer. Tanny B, what the fuck? Tanny, how did you know that? I kept showing them, but I don't know if anyone caught it because we had a buy stop and we have NAS miles above its 1 minute. We have SPX showing a buy stop miles above its blue line. Tanny, I am impressed. Tanny B, because 2 out of the 3 said buy. That is true too, Larry Cooper. That is true. But 2 out of the 3 said buy. Wow. It was way above. I mean, way above. This is crazy what NAS has done and SPX have done. I mean, they are very far above their blue lines. Now, it would have been a better trade back here somewhere where I was calling it out before, right? Back here when there was a buy stop to the blue line and it touched. That's all. Now, again, we have the very good, Tanny. Very, very good. We have the sell stop, 10-minute, sell stop, 15-minute. And then we have for US 30. And then we have the NAS 30-minute. And then we have the SPX. Almost a 1 hour. That is really close to being a 1 hour sell. 30-minute, 1 hour sell. So don't forget about these. Just because they didn't play out with the shitty ass fucking news, just because the boring news didn't change it, doesn't mean these are out yet. Where's Rashid say? Now, what we're looking at ultimately, though, let me say weekly. See, it's just, we're not quite done with the weekly buys. Let me show you. Yeah, it's still going up. Let me see my SNAS. Yeah, it's still coming up. So what we got the problem of is we need I just want this to come down to here. If we can get, and it will, I think, we can get this to come down a little bit more and it'll cross somewhere around there, then the blue line to hook like this. If we can get this built out, right? When this builds out, I should say. We can get, when we get NAS to show that, or SPX to show that, see again, then I can start calling out really hard buys for you again, like I did on the way up. But we can't call it hard yet, even though it's there. I just can't. And US 30 the same way. They just, I mean, you can do, here, watch. Let me do this again for you guys. US 30. Let's go in Zoom land. All right, look. US 30. Buy, stop, US 30. Right under that orange line. 42,685. Demo trade only, not a financial advisor. Buy, stop. But the reality is you have to or need to wait till this pink line comes down to here again. It just isn't a proper setup until this forms like this. You can put your buy stop right there, but I would let this fall more. Or I'd let even though the price might not go down too much, I would let this pink come down more. You need this pink line down here. That's for US 30. If we look at NAS, see the pink line is closer to down, but it's not down far enough. And NAS is already bolted up again. So I can't call NAS. I'm not going to call NAS like that. Just can't. We need NAS to fall further. Now SPX, it's not even as close as NAS on the daily. And it already arched up over its line. So this is what I think you're going to see happen. Let me draw this out for you. Watch. You're going to see price action do this for a while. You'll see this right here probably. Then you're going to see this right here. And then you're going to see it's just going to fart around, what you guys used to call consolidation. I'll call it farting. And you're going to see this. Then you're going to see this orange line kind of go through it like this. Okay. And then what's going to happen? Then you're going to see more of a gap right here. Watch. You're going to see this right here. You're going to see this. Oops. Come on now. This right here. Oh, come on now. And you're going to see more of a gap form while this is consolidating, which is not really consolidation. I'm just saying that word so you guys can relate to something. And I think you're going to see more of a gap like this. And then you're going to see, I'm trying to get you guys to visualize what's happening so you guys can start seeing it like that. Okay. So this is what you're going to see, more of a gap right in here. You're going to see just like this one, as a matter of fact. This is what you're going to see happening. Exactly. Let me make this different. This is what you guys are going to see coming up. Just like this. See how this one went? You see everything in it? You see how the market went over? Doot, 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 doot. You see how it's going over? Doot, 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 doot. You see the gap? Not a very good gap. You're going to see more of a gap on this one. You're going to see this pink line pull down like this, and you're going to see the pink line come down. We can't really call the buys until this pink line comes down and touch this orange. I'm looking specifically at SPX. So I can't call like a machine gun buy like I do when it's all the way down low on the way up. But we can call it. And if we don't see a for instance, let me show you something. This started up here. This is really good learning for you guys. Pay attention to what I'm about to teach you. Okay. Let's see. Tanny deserves a prize. Yes, Tanny does actually want NASDAQ. Yes, we need NASDAQ. I'm talking about that now. That was unemployment claims. PMI is at 945. Yeah, they all suck. None of them. That's bullshit on any of them. Thank you, Mike Snyder. I need you as my nose. What happened to Hawaii? He used to be my news guy. What's up, Grant? Okay. I don't know what we can do for Tanny. Well, don't let me forget about Tanny. All right. Good morning, Grant. So this is what you're looking at. We're looking at SPX 500. We're doing a little deep dive right here. You're going to see that the first time was the best time. That's true. But we have to wait for this pink line to come down. And then you're going to see all of this come down with a little more of a space. And we're on the daily. And then we're going to see, I hope, price action just fart around / go down a little. But what I was going to tell you was, watch. This incongruency is fucking huge. Price came from here. Well, let's look at the base of the price, by the way. Let's look at our the actual main average, not the spikes high. So from here, it came down to here. Right there. Okay. Did its thing, came back up. All right. Let's compare that to this drop. And then you see how this came down? Look over here. When this came down, this still came down really hard. But this came down really hard. But the price didn't. There's an incongruency. This came down really hard, right? Price came down really hard. This one didn't. So think of this as building up tension like a spring. This came down, but it was supposed to come down really far. It's incongruent. And then it spiked up and went jing, straight up. Hopefully this time price doesn't come down again, very little, but the pink resets itself and comes down. Then it's going to go sping and come straight back up again. What's a good analogy? This one was like I don't know if it's a bow and arrow. Like it was pulled down, spring and came up, but it was the same. If you see this right here, this came down a little comparative. You see almost half of what this was, but yet the pink came down just as far. Does anyone see what I'm talking about? Yes or no? Farting around. Good morning, Adam. I'm overcalling out news and realize I was calling out the news 15 minutes behind. That's funny, Mike. Oh my God. That's something I would do. So does that make sense to you guys on TikTok and YouTube? This is an incongruency of the flow. And these are really good. You'll see this incongruency every time there's a first time blue line trade. where price doesn't quite do what the sniper's doing. That's all. It doesn't pull down as much. This is pulling down a lot. This is coming down a little. This is pulling down a lot, and it came down a lot. There's just a difference. So this is going to do the same thing. This is coming down. You're going to see this come down, and you're not really going to see much more of a down here. You might. I'm just saying, if we don't, then we're going to have a nice little buy right back in again. Yes. Good morning, George. What's up, George? What's the reason for the incongruency? It's why the sniper is the Bach is the most important thing. That's where the sniper came from, to be clear on you guys. But what the sniper's doing is that's why the sniper works as good as it does. People always, oh, that's an RSI or that's a blah blah blah, and that's this and that. Even if you know what the all three of these different lines that are in the sniper is, you don't know because you don't have the settings for it. So there's only two people on earth that have the settings for this. One of them is under both of them are under strict NDAs. So if this ever gets out in the public, and I know who did it, I know who did it, and I'll sue the living fuck out of the person. So it's impossible. Even if you knew by some miracle of God, and no, it's not anything to do with any kind of RSI, PPQ, PP, MPPQ. There's nothing to do with any kind of actual indicator you think. These are all custom made, custom coded. And the beautiful thing about it is that's what it does. When it's the first time, it causes this incongruency. So you can see the pullback. It goes pop, and there's your little thing right there. I guarantee you there was a 4-hour buy stop right here. A minimum 4 hour. There might have been a 3 hour, 2 hour. There could have been a 7 hour, but I would say a 4 hour minimum right here. Buy, pop, and then it went up. It's doing the same thing right now as you speak. It's just not low enough. So when this incongruency happens, when this pulls back down again, just think of it as getting like really, really, really tight. And then it goes whoosh. And this is exactly the reason why I took the NAS trade that I just closed down the other day. I took the NAS trade here because it pulled back. Look, the exact same thing I'm talking about. Look, right here. But isn't that funny? NAS and SPX are different. No, they're not. This came down. This came down hard. This came down hard. This came down very little. When it hit the bottom, I took the trade. I said, nope, I'm just going to take a buy. Didn't do any kind of buy stops, sell stops, didn't do any kind of orders, didn't do any kind of ascending, descending wedges, didn't do any kind of anything. I just said, hey, this hit the fucking orange. I'm taking a buy. When it comes down again, I'll do it again for you. Hopefully on SPX, because NAS can get a little ugly. But I'll do SPX again for you. Probably heavy too. I might even do a full lot on this one for you. So when this comes back down, I'm going to do another buy just because it hit it. I did the exact same thing on gold. Look, here's gold. This is gold. Okay. Now see, this is the, see, look, gold's first time was back here. You see it? So if we go back to here, watch what it looks like. There you go. And then here's our gold right here. And then you have, right. So gold is different on this one because we're not on it. We're on the third time we're waiting for gold to fall. This will be the third time right here. We want gold to fall. Again, incongruency. Look, it did it here, right here. It fell hard down here. It didn't fall hard here. Very little. Same thing's going to go on now. Watch. This is gold. You're going to see it fall, right? Gold's going to come down a little. You're going to see this rehook and come back down again. Just what it's going to do. I mean, and then you'll make money again on gold and again on gold and again. I mean, it doesn't quit printing. We printed gold through the signal service all year long. And then we did it. We made money on gold all fucking year long. Oh, press stop. Okay, I got to go. All right. Let me put this over here. Let me put this over here. Let's see this. Let's see that. Let's see this. Yep, 1 minute there. Yep. And let me go to NAS. 1 minute buy, stop NAS. 1 minute buy, stop SPX. Or 1 minute buy, stop US 30. We'll wait. I don't know how those are going to hold. If the 5 seconds start to flip, look for a sell. But right now, I think that's a buy for us. Coming, purchase. All right, I'll be back in a little bit, about 5 minutes or so. Y'all have good morning, George. Yes, we've already, right. That's correct, Erica. What's up, Rocket? You're welcome, Rocket. All right, I'll be back in just a few minutes. I used to have a sign I put up on that. See how that does for you guys. Let's mark that too so we're all on the same page. All right, I'll be back in just a few minutes. I'm back. I'll be trading through open. Let's make some money. Oh, look, it did go up a little bit. All right, I'm back. What'd I miss? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Let's see. What do we got going on? Gold is touching a blue line on the daily. Yep, that is true. Thanks, Kevin. You're welcome. Mr. Gold. Gold paid for all 4 of my ATVs this year. Nice, Mr. Gold. Mr. Gold, email me over your actual name so I know. I want to know who I'm talking to. Stefan, good morning, Stefan. All right, I'm back. I look at 57. Thank God, Precious, turn off my light. All right, what are we doing here? We were looking at that, and then here. Oh, good, we're having a pullback on NAS. Let's see SPX. Not as much. Oh, let me see gold again. What we can do. Another little buy. 1 minute. Nope. Let's go over to 3 minute. Let's go over to 5 minute. Yeah, 10 minute. 5 second. Buy, stop, fill in the gap. Let's see if it does it right now. Watch when this one closes. Watch what happens here. See that? Oh, maybe it won't give it to us. I wanted this to close in for you. No, it's creating a buy stop right now. This is going to come down. This pink is going to come back down. Then you should see our hook back up again. And then we'll see this price action come up again. It's almost low enough. When the pink crosses the purple, then you'll see, there you go. Now watch your price fill in the gap right here. See that? Watch. And then you'll see this thing close. There you go. See, there's your fill in the gap and it's closed and there's your trade. This is on a 5 second level, so it's not, much of a movement for you at this point, but that's called a fill in the gap trade. You just saw it. Now, again, it's moving hyper fast because of all these 5 second trades, but that's all it was. They both came down, boom, right there. They both crossed, came up, and then see it? It actually was a full-on buy stop. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop right there. But that's when the gap closed. You saw the black space, and then these histogram bars closed it up. It's about to come up again, so that's going to close that again, but that's called gold. Now let's see if we can go to the 10 second and see what's going on, peeps. Let's see what's going on. Told you it was just going to go up again. Told you, because this was now at the peak, so this is going to be your top. And then I don't know after that. I'm just calling out this trade live. Now, does anyone, okay, I just kind of glanced over that. Did anyone just pay attention to me to call out this 5 second trade live and how it went up and how it closed the gap and how the histogram bars came up and how this came up and how I told you this was going to be the final little push? Well, not final little push. That was going to be the push up to the blue. And then we're done with that particular trade. Now it could do whatever it wants to do. Just take a moment to understand that someone just called a 5 second candles out and made sense of 5 second candles. I hope you all appreciate that again. 3 minute buy stop on NAS. Yeah, that's what we called. I hope you guys just understand that. This isn't normal. This isn't normal trading behavior. Who else here do you see trade on a 5 second, 1 second, 10 second, 15 second candles and makes the correct call before it happens and tells you what this is going to go finish that, calls it before it happens? This is called during it. Then I said it was going to go up when the pink and the purple came down right there in the cross and it went up. Then I told you it was going to finish it right there, and that's it. And that's all I can call on it. And I can go to the 10 second and show you. But, on the 5 second, that's a perfect 5 second. And this happens, by the way, on 15 seconds. This happens on 15 minutes. This happens on hourly, daily, weekly. This exact same thing. I'm just saying that this is crazy shit you guys are witnessing, and you act as if it's no big deal. Because I do glance over it. I should make a bigger deal about it. I really should. This is crazy. See, here it is again, by the way. See, it's the exact same fucking thing just happened. The exact fucking thing just happened. See it? See, right? Look. This is what I just said. Oh my God. Is this right there? There it is. This and that. See the same? See it? Fill in the gap, 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 fill in the gap. Jiminy Christmas. That's happening as I talk. It's so funny to me. Oh, well. Definitely appreciate it. Nice, Bernari. DPFX. Those calls are 6. I can't wait to get there. Yeah. I mean, that's as simple. But now remember, what you're seeing here is no different than what you see on gold daily. Look, this is let me get clear on how much time do I have for the fucking market opens? Oh, good. I have time. All right. Look, listen to what I'm about to tell you. Listen to what I'm going to teach you. Write this down. Be specific. Watch. Look right here. Look. Well, you're going to have to see this over here. Hold on a second. Let me pull this all the way down for you so you see it. Watch. Look right here. This is daily. Look. Your pink and your purple come down. Look. There's your fill in the gap. Look. This is daily. You can see it coming like a snail coming after you. This is how slow this moves. These are daily candles. Look, you go down to the 5 second. This is what gets everybody's attention. That's why I fucking do it. You do the 5 second. Let me turn this off. You go to the 5 second, and what do you see? The exact same thing. The pink and the purple coming down. Well, this is the more accurate one for you. This one right here. The pink and the purple coming down right here in the fill in the gap, and your price goes up. Now, these are 5 seconds, so it's not going to be big, but this exact same picture, this exact same thing right here, this exact same, whatever you want to fucking call it, right here is, maybe I can do this. This is going to be tricky. I don't know if I can do this. Let's see if we can get this to go. Right here. This right here. This is going to be tricky, but I'm going to do my best for you guys. Watch. This right here is the exact same thing. Now, this is the tricky part because I got to get the daily without screwing up something on my seconds. Good luck on that. Is the exact same thing. Oh, good. I can spread it. Watch. As this. There is no difference. This is your daily on the right, gold. This is daily gold on your right. Blue high, pink and purple low, fill in the gap. This is 5 second gold. Blue high, pink and purple low, fill in the gap. Up it goes. 5 second on the left, daily on the right. Trust me, the AI of Vanguard and BlackRock isn't that smart. They repeat the patterns. My system has hacked that. My system shows you exactly the same patterns on 5 seconds as it does daily. There's Harjeet. I love Harjeet. He's always questioning the sells. Harjeet, we're still looking for buys. Is the NAS 1 hour sell stuff? So do not repeat yourself. I'm assuming you did not mean to do that, Harjeet. Don't ever ask the same question twice. Just don't do that. It's a good way to get yourself out of here. Good morning, Neville. All right. So sevens, if you all see that the 5 second fill in the gap buy stop right here is the exact same setup as the daily. Exactly. There's no difference. Oh, just one slower moving and one super mega fast. One slower moving, but goes up hundreds and hundreds of dollars an ounce. And one might go up, I don't know, 20 cents. Sevens, if you guys see that, this is a very important point. This is fundamental to the safety trade system. You have to understand these same patterns appear on every time period between 5 seconds and daily, hell, up to weekly and monthly. The exact same things occur. That's 3 minute money. Nice, Tank Dog. I need sevens from you, though. Thank you, Glow. That the 5 second pattern is the same thing as your daily pattern, as a 3-minute, as a 10-minute, as a 15-minute, as a 30-minute. It just repeats itself over and over and over and over and over and over again. Just getting into the charge, had to take all the kiddos to school. Morning fun. Fam. Nice, Andrew. Glad to see you here. 60 people. Good morning, Brian Flores. Thank you, Solace. Good morning, Solace Soul. Good morning, George Strait. I know George has been here. Crazy how the small time frame works the same as the highest, even if it's just a few seconds. Yep. It is crazy. By the way, the Eye of Sauron, if you guys ever watch Lord of the Rings, wherever the Eye of Sauron looks, he can like see everything. That's where his focus is, called the Eye of Sauron. But at any rate, in the movies anyways. Guess what? The Eye of Sauron of Kev is going to start working on the funded trading safety trade system. I'm going to start working on the funded traded safety trade system along with the robot. Thank you for trading past New York. Well, I'm only trading to the open. I'll be staying on to about 9:35. And you're welcome, George. So I'm about to start work on the funded trading. So in other words, if you like doing funded accounts, I'm going to have a safety trade system version that only deals with the funded trading accounts. The top time frame I'll be utilizing for entries will be 3 minutes. I'll be mostly focused on 5, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, and 3 minutes. That's what my folks will be. It'll be a totally separate safety trade system to get you funded for your funded trading accounts. Little to no drawdown, dealing with ticks instead of pips. Oh, I'll get it. When I'm done with that motherfucker, whoever wants to be funded, you'll be funded. And easily. Yep, that shit's coming. What do I mean funded trader? George, people like to do what's called funded accounts, where they do they try to use other people's money to make money. They have these stupid drawdown. I mean, I have to give it with my brother or somebody that actually does the funded accounts. Matter of fact, Anthony Philibose, can you email me, please? I want to know the rules of your thing so I can be specific to it. And then I'll make my system based on those rules so that I can have little drawdown or whatever drawdown I want. And then I'll make it so that it meets all the criteria and that will get you guys funded. Oh, Tony's here. Oh my God, Tony. What's up, Tony? I didn't even see your name. What's up, Anthony Villalobos, who's got his mojo back? Nice. Sounds great. Oh, nice. No way. That is awesome. I just bought the system yesterday and learning very quickly. Nice, Grant. Good morning, Kevin. Nice call on Tesla. Yeah, that was easy peasy. Hey, Don, did I call that Tesla call before? I think I did. You're right. Well, let me know when I called that Tesla call because I just went over it this morning. It was easy. Good morning, Azar. What's up, Azar? What's up, everybody on TikTok and YouTube? Do we want to be a dick this morning and kick you guys all off of TikTok? Yeah, I mean, off of YouTube. I need everybody on YouTube to head over to TikTok. I need to get up to at least 30 people on TikTok. So if you guys would head over from YouTube, I don't want to have to boot you, but I will. Taking money from BlackRock and now all the brokers. Yep, we're going to take it from everybody. What's up, Leon? It's usually 40%. I don't know, George. But thank you, Tony, for writing in and telling me the rules. Raider Trader, just talking about you, Ore. Damn it, I say his name wrong. What's up, Raider Trader? Good to see you this morning. 10% drawdown. Tank Dog. Poor Tank Dog's trying to actually trade. All right. So hopefully you guys understand that whole little tidbit right there. Let's go back. And we have a release date for the new smart scanner. The H&H scanners are going to release November the 8th. November the 8th is the release date. We have the sniper rifle right here. Unbelievably effective. Let's go down to the 5-second, and let's actually go to one of them that's tracking. And the sniper rifle will be released in January. And we're also going to have what's called a Gatling gun. So we're going to have the sniper Gatling gun. Nothing being called by the sniper rifle. We're going to turn that off anyways. And we also have better entrances. Wait till you see. 5-second, nothing. Let me see. 1 second. Sell. 1 second, sell. 5-second, nothing. 10-second, buy. Sell. 30-second, 30-second. 30-second, sell. 30-second, sell. No, it's not a 1 minute sell. Did someone say 1 minute? No, it's not going to its 1 minute blue line. It can't go to its 1 minute blue line. It hasn't even hit its 30-second blue line, tank dog. It hasn't even hit its 15-second tank dog. You can call and could have called a 10-second sell. You can call a 15-second to the 15-second blue line sell. Yes. It has to hit this 15-second blue line first. I'm not saying it will, but that's what you have to call. Then the 30 seconds. So it's a 30-second sell stop to the 15-second blue line. Yep. And we need this to happen. We need a whole big pullback, but I'm not seeing it. 3-minute buy, 3-minute buy back to the blue line, to the 5-minute blue line, 10-minute blue line. Yeah. So you guys are just farting around. 30-minute sell stop, NAS. 1 hour sell stop, NAS. 30-minute sell stop, NAS towards its blue line. 30-minute, when I told you it was going to turn into 1 hour. Damn, that's as close as you can get without doing it. 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop, SPX. What we need, we didn't get shit for the fucking useless news, but what we need, whether it's at 9:45 or at 9:30, we need this shit to pull down like this, and then later, 7 minutes to market open, and then later, or immediately, but whatever, and then have it pull back up. That's what we need to see happen on NAS and SPX and US 30. It just has to. It's ridiculous what it's doing. So we need this pullback, 30-minute to the 30-minute blue line, 15. Yep. Sell stop, US 30 to its 30-minute blue line. Let me see what it's doing on this 1 second and 5 seconds. Oh, yeah. Told you. There you go. 15-second. Yep. There you go. There you go. Now, if you rather play shorter time frames, look for the 1 minute buy. If you'd rather, I'd rather it see just go down, and this is probably what it's going to do. 3-minute sell, 5-minute sell, 15-minute sell, 15-minute sell to the 30-minute blue line. That's what I see happening for US 30. So we'll play any sell stop you can from 5-second through 30-minute to the blue line on US 30. If you don't like playing these time frames, you go, well, that's okay. I'm not a big 30-minute person fan. Then what you can do is go over here to the 12 hour. Love this trade, by the way. Love this trade. Do a 7-hour, 12-hour buy. Put your buy on US 30 right here at 42,624, but move it down as it goes down. I think you're going to see a little pull down. I wish it would go right below that fucking green line again. Oh, hopefully US 30 goes below here to 42,400. That's what I'm hoping. Then we'll take an entry on that one. Now, NAS, on the other hand, let's take a look. Shall we? NAS. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line ricochet. 5-second buy stop to the blue line. Let these fall again. Oh, Jesus. It just dipped so hard. That'll still work. Let me see, though. Oh, Jesus. 5-second sell. 10-second sell. Damn it, to the 15-second blue line. Nope, you have to play that 30-second sell to the blue line. 1 minute sell to the blue line. I don't know if we're going to get a 3-minute. Go to play any sell stop you can on NAS. Just play it down to the 1 minute blue line. Let me see again. Hold on. Let me see SPX again. Yeah, do that. And SPX and NAS. Play any sell stops you can until then. Yeah. I would look at US 30 for my sell though. But anyway, do that. And then on NAS and SPX, 5-minute buy stop to the blue line. Love the trade. Love this trade. 20,270.2. Buy stop NAS to the 5-minute blue line. To the 10-minute, fill in the gap. 30-minute sell. 30-minute sell. 1 hour sell. 30-minute, 1 hour sell. I would go to the 30-minute blue line. Yeah, on NAS. 30-minute sell. NAS. 20,230 back down to the blue line on the 30-minute. All it's doing, see, you guys are a little confused on a lot of things. What it's doing is setting up with these 1 hour sells, right, to the 1 hour blue lines, these 4 hour, 7 hour, 12-hour buys. This is a 12-hour buy. So if you don't want to muddle around in all that too noisy area, just do, and I don't know if we're there yet. If you can put this right here on that yellow line, put it right there. Take it. Buy stop. NAS. I don't, right above that. I want it to go down a little further. Oh shit, 3 minutes open. So that's what I'd be looking at. Buy stop NAS 7 hour. Buy stop 7 hour SPX. Buy stop. Man, if we can get that off that fucking line. 12-hour buy stop, but I don't know where to put you in on the US 30. That's a tough one. That's a tough entry. But at any rate, I like all these, love all these buy stops, not like, we just need a little more of a pull down right here, right there. I need to see the daily pink line come down. And then I'm going to just make us all fat, greedy little pigs. We're going to make some money on this one. Yeah, it just needs to come down. So ultimately, let's pray to God that these 30-minute, 15-minute sells kick in here very soon, if not at open, right after open. I want to see pull back down at open. Otherwise, I'm not taking the trade. Now, you can take this sell stop if you like. Feel free to take the sell stop if you like. I'm not here to stop you. Out of all of them, I happen to like this SPX the best. Just love that SPX sell. If you want to, just lock in your profit on the buy stops. Hang in there on those. Do not play market open. Do not play market open. Do not play market open. If you're in the buys from earlier today, you can stay in there until profit is taken. 1 second. Yeah, just stay out of market open. It's a sell, 10 second sell, 10 second, 30 second sell. Can we get anything a little longer term for you guys? No, not on US 30. Let me see NAS. 30 second. 1 minute blue line is hit. 1 minute blue line hit on NAS. 1 minute blue line hit on SPX. 1 minute to market open. Hey, that's ironic. 1 minute to market open. Oh, fuck me. I wouldn't play. Play your sells on US 30. Play the sell stops on US 30. Any sell. Just do that. I'm not going to call that for NAS. What I'm going to call for NAS is going to take probably a little more time. Buy stop NAS off the red line right here, 20,230. Play the sell on US 30. Play the buy on NAS. If there's a buy and shoots up on NAS to the blue line on the 10-minute, take it. Play the sell on US 30, the buy on NAS. I wouldn't do any sells, but whatever. If you guys want to try to make some money on that, sells. All right. Do not play market open. Do not play market open. Lock in profit. It's about to flip over to market open. Demo trade only. It's 9:30. Let's roll, peeps. What do we got? And jack shit. Okay. Let me see US 30. US 30 sell in the money. US 30 sell in the money. Let me go back to NAS. Nope. Nothing. Hold on right here. Hold. US 30 sells in the money. Let's hang in there for a few minutes. I don't have much time to stay with you guys. Yeah. Hang in here. The 1 minute blue line is hit again by the NAS, but I didn't call it again. I'm good with that. I'm done. US 30. Yeah, US 30 sells in big money, huge money on US 30. You can close that trade down. Close the trade down on US 30. There's no need to stay in there or re-enter again if you want to re-enter again. Where's my sell? Yeah, hold on. Come on. Why is this fucking sell US 30 again? You should be able to get back into this US 30 sell again. Yeah, there you go. In the money on the second entry on US 30 sell without a fucking chart up because fucking trading view is so fucking slow. In the money again on that US 30 sell. Let me see NAS again. No, NAS can't. I'm not taking it. I don't care how far this goes down. We're probably going to see, watch for this for you guys here. Yeah, there you go. There's your 15-minute. Let me see if the 30-minute. You're probably going to see, I don't like that one as much. Let me see SPX again. Yeah, I love this one. This is much better. This is the pullback we wanted to see on SPX. This is the one where's my drawing at? Fuck. Where did my drawing go? There. This is what I just drew for SPX. I love this still. I love it. Play any sell stop you want on SPX if you want to do it. I don't recommend sells, but if you want to do it, SPX to the 15-minute, to the 30-minute blue line. No, wait, that was 15-minute. Hold on. Come on, fucker. No, it was 30. Yeah, this is the one. So there you go. Now, after that, and I'm telling you, this is the way I would look at this. Let me make sure on my NAS. Yeah. After this pull down, when you see this is perfect. Thank God it's going down. Perfection. All right. After this pull down, start looking for your 7-hour buy. Perfect. 7-hour buy off of, I love this trade. Who is this? NAS. 7-hour buy stop. 20,197. Follow this down a little too. 20,194 buy stop. NAS. Love the trade. Yes, I see it's going down. Yes, I see it's going down. Yes, I see it's going down. I understand that. I don't give a fuck. Great. Keep going down. The further you go down, the more money we're going to make on the way down. Do it. SPX. Same thing. SPX. Let me see if we can get this to the 15. Nope, it's also there. Why I thought one of them was to the fucking 15. Sell stop, play any sell stop, short term to this SPX 30-minute blue line. But longer term, yeah. See, this is what you want. Buy stop right here. 5,820 demo trade only, not a financial advisor. Demo trade only, not a financial advisor. Demo trade only, not a financial advisor. Follow this down as it goes down too, because we're going to see it hit that 30-minute blue line again. Watch. This is going to be great. Take this down if you want. 5,820. Buy stop. SPX, not a financial advisor, demo trade only. I really think you're going to see this go it may go all the way down to the blue line, but I think it's going to hook before it gets down to the blue line again. Interesting. Yeah, I like these two trades. Actually, I love the buys. The sells, do what you want with. Love the buys. NAS buy. It's going to take a while for that buy to click in, but that's okay. I don't care. I love it. They gave us another re-entry right here. I'm taking advantage of this. Buy stop right off the green line off the 7-hour on NAS, right off the 7-hour on SPX. US 30. Not quite as pretty. 12-hour. Oh, it's so close. Damn, if we can get US 30 down below its green line again. Damn, I don't know if we'll see it down that low again, though. Let me see what its 1 hour looked like. Yeah, play any sell stop on US 30 till its 1 hour blue line is touched or close to. Play any sell stop on 1 hour US 30. So play the 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 5 minute. If you don't know what a sell stop is, pending order. If you don't know how to place it, get with your broker. If you don't know what the blue line is, by the system. And there it is, towards the one. I like this trade a lot. If you want to do, yeah, this is beautiful. Let me see SPX. Yeah, no, that I can live with that. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You can play any sell stop you want in SPX and US 30. I'm just not calling NAS. I'm not calling NAS. It's not, I don't know. I'm just not calling NAS on that sell. US 30 all day long. US 30, play it down towards its blue line of the 1 hour. Yep, absolutely. And then hopefully on US 30, yeah. See, hopefully we can get it below this 12-hour red line here. I think it will too. I think you're going to see US 30 go a good bit below here. When it does, I'll try to call out a buy stop for you guys if I see it. Look at it go. Look at it go down. You're making all kinds of money as it goes down. If you're going to play that down, it's US 30 and SPX. Those are the two I'm calling for a little short term down. Okay. I got to go. I'm wanting this to go a little bit further down while I'm live so I can get you this call right here. Come on, peeps. Okay, sorry, people are talking over here. What's up, Manula? Just trying to learn if I'm learning correct. Naz Blue Line H&H. Nice. Candle Envy. Good morning. Good morning, Kim Candle Envy lady. Raider Trader closed my nice Raider Trader. Congratulations. Standing O for Raider Trader. Walked away with $817. Good morning, LT. Boy, LT, you more late to the party than I was. We're waiting for this US 30 to go just a little bit lower. I want to get it squeaked in below its 12-hour green line. We want US 30 to go below its, see, I'm afraid NAS wasn't going to do it. Let me see SPX. SPX we're on a 7-hour anyways. Yeah. So 7-hour, 7-hour buy stop on SPX, or you can play the 30-minute sell on the way down on the shorter time frames. NAS only a buy on the 7-hour period. I'm not calling a sell on NAS. Not calling it. US 30, we want it to go down, kind of need it to go down just a little bit more, and I think it will. I think US 30 is going to head towards its 1-hour blue line. That's where I think. Again, not touching it maybe, but it's going to get very close to it. When it does, it'll hook below this green for me. I might even enter US 30 if it does that. Put a buy stop right here. So if you see, let me show you, let me draw this out for you guys who are hearing impaired. Watch. If you see, probably more, when you see this go down below here like this, then I want you to put in a buy stop order right here, like that. So when you see, Lord willing, US 30 go below here, we'll get in on the 12-hour buy stop US 30 only when it goes below where it's at currently. It has to. If it doesn't, there's nothing I can do for you. Now, NAS and SPX are different. NAS is a buy stop period off the 4-hour. Right there. That's where I'd put it. SPX, you can play the sell if you'd like. Sell stop SPX, that's fine. Don't have a problem with it. Sell stop SPX to the 30-minute blue line. I don't know if it'll go all the way back down there, but it may. And then I would enter in SPX off of its 7-hour. I said 4-hour thing, didn't I? I meant 7-hour. Buy stop SPX right here. Yep, it's a little below it. I'd like to go a little further, and I think it will. So I'm giving you plays coming up, not right at the moment. We're giving you plays coming up. Yeah, see, NAS is in. I can't do anything with NAS like that. It's just in the money. Matter of fact, if you took that 7-hour, you are in the money on NAS buy. That's funny. So no NAS sell. SPX sell if you want to play it towards the 30-minute. Play any sell stop, 3-minute to 30-minute. SPX towards its 30-minute blue line. After that, SPX 7-hour buy. Yeah, right there, right above where it is. Let me see if I can pull that up a little bit more. Yeah, I like these calls. I'm good with these calls. So watch for SPX to drop further, somewhere around here, and then move your buy stop down as it comes down too. Okay, US 30, we just need it to go below that 12-hour, and it just fucking won't. Fuck. I think it will. I think you're going to see US 30 go below here. And then when it does go below here, play any sell stop US 30 till the 1-hour blue line is nearly touched. When it goes below in here, switch your sells to the buys right there. Okay, I'm done. I repeated that 3 times. We're good. Rock and roll, Kevin. Thank you for your time. Have a great day. You too, John. 7 hour in the money. See, I thought so. The 7 hour in the money on NAS, I knew it. All right, good deal. All right, guys. God bless you on TikTok. Have a great, great morning. Talk to y'all later. See ya. Oops, hold on. Hit the wrong thing. YouTubers, any questions before I go? YouTubers, any questions before I go? YouTubers, any questions before I roll? We're rolling on. We'll see. Let's see what we shall see. See the impossible dream. Dream the impossible see. Yeah, that's what I want. Dream the impossible dream. Dream the impossible dream. All right, we're good. All right. You're welcome, Andrew. Thank you all for being here. Thank you, George. It is the best system. How much for one-on-one? Hey, Kevin, how much for one? You have to email Bree and she'll work that out for you, Tank Dog. What's up, Charlie Anderson? You're welcome, Charlie. What's up, Kim Canville? You're welcome, Kim. Thank you, LT. All right. God bless, guys. Y'all have a great day. Yeah, I probably won't be on later today, by the way. Thank you all, though. I'll try to send out an email when things switch around for you. I'll try. I don't know about that.